Hello there. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms. This tutorial video is about Pega CSSA. Pega CSSA is a software development platform that enables organizations to develop and deploy applications faster and with less risk. It provides a complete set of tools for building applications, including a visual designer, application server, and runtime environment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and check out other videos related to the latest technologies on our Upptalk channel. This video will be covered by Ms. Sneha, who is a certified trainer in Pega CSSA. Let's get started.
So then I think we'll get started. So the first session we would be talking about is, so we'll explore all the different studios a bit, right? And then we will start creating our own Pega application. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll see how you start with creating the application. Probably you might have been aware of this already, but maybe the first session to take up is we will create an application, and we will be using it throughout the the rest of the course going forward for implementing all the aspects. Okay. Right.
Yeah.
So when it comes to Pega's studios, right? So earlier, when Pega was in 7.4 version, we did not have these studios and all. It was just like we had an App Express and we had some designer studio. That's all what we have got. But now we have 4 different studios specifically designed for different set of people. It's designated for different set of people, wherein each studio is for a specific purpose. Okay. Can you name those studios?
Yes, we have App Studio, Dev Studio, Admin Studio, and Prediction Studio.
Exactly, perfect. So we have App, Dev, Admin, and Prediction Studios. Each one of it is designated for a specific set of people. Right? So App Studio is where you can work on the accelerated application development. So it could be BAs, or it could be even normal application developers also can work on the App Studio. So the major focus is for an accelerated application development. So you can build your application skeleton, or a high-level picture of the application can be designed from the App Studio, right? And then who works on it is the major focus is for the business analysts. Okay. And of course, we cannot let the business analyst handle every complex scenario, right? So that's where our Dev Studio comes into picture to deal with the complex set of requirements. Your security related aspects, versioning, teamed collaboration, source control. So everything what is beyond the business analyst would be available on the Dev Studio. So we developers, we will be working on the Dev Studio. Okay. And then we have Admin Studio for the system administrators to look after the background processing, the batch jobs, the node management. So these sort of things are taken care of the Admin Studio. Okay. And then the last one, Prediction Studio, is designed for the data scientists and data analysts. People who are inclined to work with data, right? So they would be a part of your prediction studio, where you can build the adaptive predictive models and you can just play around with the data. So right, like App Studio, we know you can design your case types, right? You can define the SLAs2, you can define you can create channels, you can design how your application needs to look like, right? So on the App Studio, you can quickly design your application, the high-level skeleton, you can get it reviewed from the product owners directly. Yes, and you can estimate your project requirements. You can, you have a lot of other options as well, as in how you would manage the project. So those things are a part of your App Studio. And like we know, the Dev Studio focuses on the complex and advanced functionality, where you deal with the complex rule forms here. On the App Studio, you can only you can only implement an SL in it when you can apply it, but in order to work on the rule, you have to come back to the Dev Studio. So things like your other aspects like your skin rules and all, so those are specific for your Dev Studios. Like I said, branched development, versioning, source control, so all these are part of the Dev Studio. And then Admin Studio to look after the deployments, batch processing, agents, queues. So now we have job schedulers and queue processes replacing our agents. So all those can be handled from the Admin Studio. Right. So we will also be looking at the Admin Studio for few sessions where it involves schedulers, agents, and sort of stuff. And
Okay.
finally, where you can build in your own set of models, text categorization, extraction models, you can build them. Also, if required, you can build your model in any other language. You can also have them implemented in Pega using the PMML model type. I mean, again, this is exclusively for the data scientists and all. Unless your application is involving some AI flavors, we wouldn't need to work on the prediction studio. Okay. Right. So I think, yes, as you already know, these are the new studios and designated for the respective set of people. Okay.